Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Neha and today I am speaking to you from Nice. Look at that. I mean, I'm here for my 30th birthday for another couple of days, but there's so much that has already happened, even though this is the intro to my vlog. But yesterday, you know, British Airways guys, they surprised me with a wonderful birthday gesture for me, and I was just indoors because it was raining. But look at that, look at the weather now, it's so fantastic. So I'm here for a couple of days. I'll be exploring the city, using Nice as a base. They say you can go so many places, so I'm really excited. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go! Right guys, I just got done with breakfast and I'm just walking down the Promenade. How beautiful. I'm planning to go to Old Town Nice now, so I'm just going to go towards my bus stop or the tram stop and then head over to Old Nice. So let's go. Alright guys, so there's one quick tip for you. Whenever you come to Nice, you must keep in mind that they don't accept cards in the bus, like a contactless card payment as they do in the UK. So what you need to do is you need to get a ticket from one of the tram stations. Now if you're looking to go on the bus, they don't have a ticket machine on the bus stop, so I was looking for one and I couldn't get on the bus, and I got on the bus anyway, but I told the guy that I've got a credit card and he said you can't get on the bus, so he let me down on the next stop. But there's a quick tip. If you ever travel in Nice and you want to get on the bus, come to the tram stops and you'll find a ticket. Alright guys, so finally got my ticket. Here it is. Cost me €1.50 and it's valid on the trams and the buses, but I was literally looking for a ticket machine on the bus stops and there wasn't none, so I was like, oh my gosh, language barrier, yeah, oh no, what to do. So there's one guy who actually helped me out, so thanks to him I got my ticket and now I can roam around in Nice. I'm heading over to Old Nice and the bus number I'm taking is the bus number 12, and I'm at the Promenade bus stop, and I'm going to go to the Cathedral Old Nice bus stop, which is about 13 stops from here, about 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, can't wait. So I'm just walking through the bylanes of Old Nice. I mean, look at that. It is so quaint, so vintage, and just really beautiful. Just really nice. Nice. Really can't get enough, guys. Really can't get enough of the view. Look at those little kids. So cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. Just so happy. Just really happy. One quick pit stop at Finocchio, because when in Nice you have to try the gelatos and they've got so many flavours. Take a look. So guys, I went for their orange chocolate, which is the chocolate orange, and because I love orange chocolate, and they've got so many flavours. I was tempted to try all of them, but you know, obviously I can't. But yeah, let's see how it is. Oh my gosh, so good, so good. So yeah guys, whenever you come to Nice, do check out this place called Pinocchio. It is really famous and it's really nice. The guys are really friendly as well, so totally recommend. Right peeps, so one of the places that is worth checking out in Nice is the local market. They've got so much going on here. They've got their flower market here, they've got fruits and vegetables down over there, and they've also got, like, you know, paintings and just little antique stores. It's just really beautiful. Right guys, so I just got done with my visit to the Cours Saleya Market. Now I'm just at the beach, just came over because it's just really beautiful. Check this out. I'm literally just sitting here, not doing much, and it's just the best feeling ever. One thing I've actually learned when traveling solo is learning how to be shameless, and I mean shameless because you know, when you're traveling solo, you know, you have to shoot your own content if you're a content creator, and it's just really hard to take your pictures at times. I mean, right now it's just so windy, and you know, it's just really impossible for me to create my own content by, you know, by minding a tripod and etc. I just couldn't get the right frame, so I went up to this lady and asked if she could take a picture for me, and she did. We ended up, you know, talking for about like 10 minutes. It was such a great conversation, and that wouldn't have happened if I wasn't shameless, if I hadn't actually gone up to her. So I realized how much, you know, it is literally in our heads. You know, we're like, oh my gosh, what is this person going to think of us, or you know, what they're going to think. No one really cares, you know, honestly, and that's the best part. So it gives you that freedom to actually, you know, just be yourself really. So just thought to share this with you guys, and yeah, learn to be shameless guys, learn to be shameless. And now I'm going over there, the Colline du Chateau. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm heading to Castle Hill, which is also known as the Colline du Chateau. There are 426 steps that I am going to climb. You can always take the lift as well, but I thought, why not, you know. But yeah, so let's see if I can do this. Still going strong, still going strong. As you climb up, don't forget to look behind you, because I think That is the key motivation that is keeping me going. Whoa, still climbing, and I think I reached the top. Made it. Here we are. So Castle Hill was once used for military purposes, but is now a free attraction in Nice. The interesting thing to note about Castle Hill is that it's called the cradle of the sun. So depending on where you look, you can see the sunrise or you can come for sunset. So over there at the harbour, you can see a beautiful sunrise, or down at the promenade, you can witness a gorgeous sunset. So there you go, a tip for you guys. So now I've reached Place Masséna, which is the main square of Nice, and behind me is the statue of Apollo. Okie dokie peeps. So now I'm headed to St. Nicholas Russian Orthodox Cathedral, which is about like 20-25 minute walk from the Place Masséna that you just saw back there. I could have taken the tram, but it would have taken the same amount of time, and I always think that it's best to explore a city on foot, and it's bright and sunny, so you might as well just walk. Let's walk. So I took a little detour from my walk to the St. Nicholas Russian Orthodox Cathedral. I stopped by this cute little pâtisserie to have some crepes and some shakes. I am super hungry, so let's see how they are. This is so good. So good. Whoa guys, that was so good. I don't think I've had crepes better than those in my entire life, and it's a good thing I'm walking because I think it was so heavy. I need to digest all that food by walking. So yeah, good thing. Good decisions. Good decisions. Okie dokie people, so after walking for some time, I've finally reached the St. Nicholas Russian Orthodox Cathedral. I just came across a really interesting fact. This cathedral is recognised as France's national monument, and it is also the largest Eastern Orthodox cathedral in Western Europe.